Hello, my name's Lee and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego Nerf gun. And the first piece that you'll need is this. Is this piece. Then you'll need a I don't know if it is 6x6 piece, and put it through here. Then yes, right. Then put another one through this bit. So like a person doing the splits but with no face. Then get another two of these pieces. Then you'll need to poke this through. Then you'll need to poke the same piece through the other hole. Then you'll need to put the same one of this, but at a different place. You'll need to get two of these pieces. Then attach them to the sides. Make sure there's a gap in the middle too. I don't know why I'm doing it, I'm just doing it. Then stick a 10 by 10 piece to this bit. Put two pieces there. This is what it should look like. Now the final two pieces. You'll need some of them half grabber things. Put them onto the tip of this bit. Like this. Now I have a little bit of more time left, so what can I do? I might be able to show you some of my brickheads. Oh, Maddie, you're just cringy. So this is Master Wu and the new Ninjago. Get it out! I'm not doing that! Then the first person is Master Wu, and if you don't know what brickheads are, little brickheads. That's what they are, brickheads. They sound like something else, but it's a swear, so I'm not going to say it. And he has a little hat. He used to have actual Master Wu's hat on it. He got two little eyes, pieces that I've never seen before, and a beard. And this is supposed to be his clothing. He's got like a little dress thing on, but he's a boy, and I just took his hand off. But here's his staff. Not much to show you about that, though. There's a little pointing up piece on there. Must have done. Now Robin. Remember him in the Batman movie? This is that Robin. He has 2 little beady eyes, glasses, hair it points up, like this, and a little cape on the back of him. In my opinion, it looks quite nice, and if you didn't see the the design on their arms, because they're quite thin, they're okay, I can say. I like Lloyd's one better though, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to tell you about Lloyd while I'm doing Robin. Yes, he has legs, glasses, and these pieces of them. They look really nice to me, and I've never seen a brick like this, but with this type of print on it, so I'm very impressed with that. To tell you who is Master Wu doesn't actually have this brick. He has one that's going down him. So like too low. See my buttons? It's going down like how these are. So that, oh, I really like this hairpiece, this hair too. If you can hear that, I think that's my mum or my sister watching something. She just watches lots of rubbish videos, alright, but don't tell her that, okay? If she watches this, I'll make sure she doesn't. I just said something that isn't allowed to hear, so. Here's Lloyd. There's something that a brickhead doesn't. This is the first brickhead that had a different printed eye on it. Different printed eyes on them. And these are the eyes. If you don't know who this is, it's Lloyd he's from the same cartoon as Master Wu, but this is a film Lloyd. I like this headband piece. It's just a sticker. No, it's not even a sticker. I'm just really impressed with how it turned out. And the eyes on everyone. Never seen something like that before. Never. Do you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like Minecraft brickheads. Minecraft and brickheads, they go with the same length. Their heads are like bricks and Minecraft people are like bricks. Oh! I think this is Chinese, and just look at this print. It's lovely. I love it. Let me get... Oh, is that the only... You see my boat over there? Yeah, you can. So I'll just put in him. You can just look at him there. And I'm just gonna go get something that I want to show you. This is my Crystal Palace that I made, and this is how it looks now. I'm going to be doing more stuff with it soon, so stay tuned if you want to see any more videos. And if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do in the next video. Bye.